Ever wish you could instantly elevate your designs and make them pop? Let's dive in and learn how to add strokes in Adobe Illustrator. First off, we need an object using your selection tool. Click on the shape or object you want to work with. I've just got this simple square here. Now, the magic happens in the stroke panel. If you can't see it, go to Window at the top of your screen and find Stroke. It should pop up on your side panel. Inside the stroke panel, we have all the tools we need. The weight option allows you to control the thickness of your stroke. Click on the drop-down to adjust the point size and see the changes happening on the shape in real time. Notice how changing the point size instantly changes the thickness of the stroke surrounding your object. Next up is the color. You can change the stroke color in the color panel, which you can access from Window like the stroke panel. Simply click on the color swatches. Let's not stop there. Select your shape. You can also change the cap and corner styles of your stroke. See how the appearance of the stroke ends and connections transform. You can select many styles. And finally, a popular trick: outlining images. By adding a stroke to an image, you can quickly get an outline effect. Simply place the image, select it, and follow the same steps we just covered in the stroke panel. Experiment with different weights, colors, and styles to see how you can dramatically change the look of your design.